If you're planning to learn AI data automation or even trying to become a software engineer, it all starts with one language, Python. But what exactly is Python? Why does everyone talk about Python? And how do you even get started with Python without getting lost? That's exactly what this video is all about. Hey everyone, I'm Abdul, and welcome back to Automation Learners Lab, where I document my journey learning Python video automation workflow with AI tool and how I'm turning these skills into real project. And if you're starting out your coding journey today, hit the subscribe button because this is your foundation, and I'll be sharing everything you need to know to master Python. So let's start with what is Python. Python is a programming language, but not just like any language. It's designed to be simple, readable, and powerful enough for everything, from web development, AI automation, and even robotics. In short, Python is a language that lets you build almost anything fast. There are 4 key things that make Python stand out from other languages. 1. It's beginner friendly. It has no messy syntax or confusing symbol. It's super clean and simple. 2. It has a massive community. If you're starting out with Python, you won't regret it because it has a tons of online tutorial, libraries, and even help online. So whenever I get stuck or try to start out with Python, maybe you don't have the resources to start out with Python, there are free online courses you can start out with. 3. It's powerful for automation. You can connect APIs, scrape data, send emails, and even control a workflow with a few lines of code. Finally, it's the go-to for AI. From ChatGPT to machine learning, Python runs most of it. After knowing all these 4 things, if you are still watching this video, you might have decided that you want to learn Python. The question here is that, how do you learn Python? The best way to learn Python isn't by watching a 10-hour tutorial. It's by building a tiny, useful project. You start with problem around you. You want to automate tasks, use Python to rename files or send daily email. You want to go into data, use Python to analyze your spending or your social stats. Every small project builds your confidence and portfolio. Before setting up your Python environment, you need to have these 4 things. A laptop or a desktop, any OS will work. You install Python from python.org. You need a code editor. VS Code is perfect and free, and some curiosity. Trust me, like serious, this is the most important part. Let's set up your Python environment together. Step 1, you go to python.org. You click on download. I'm using Linux, so I'll download Android version. If you are using Windows or Mac OS, you download your version here. So for me, I'm using Android version. Then you install your package here, your Android package. It has been downloaded. You open your code editor. Any terminal will work if it supports Python extension. You open your terminal. I'm using Linux. Create a file. My file has been created. Then you type in your first line of code. Boom, your first line of code is live. Now that you have written your first line of code, you are ready to move forward. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be sharing a series of Python video on this channel from basic until you master it. I got to say that we'll master it together because I'm still learning. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because your Python journey starts now. See you in the next video.